Hi, I'm James Nash. I race for Bamboo Engineering and race in the World Touring Car Championship. I like things to be as safe as possible at the racetrack, and I want the same on the main roads. This is why I'm part of the FIA Road Safety Campaign. One of the biggest road safety issues in the UK is people using their mobile phones whilst driving. Fortunately, my sponsor vComs has the perfect solution. It's called the Parrot Kit. The Parrot Kit is a Bluetooth hands-free device. It makes taking and receiving calls more simple and safe whilst driving. So let's give it a go. Connecting your phone via Bluetooth to the Parrot Kit is simple. It's the perfect driving accessory. All the Parrot Kit functions are accessed using this dashboard mounted display. The LCD screen makes it nice and simple, really easy to use. Sorry, I better take this. James Nash speaking.
Hi James, it's Ryan from vComs. How's the home-free kit treating you?
Hi Ryan, it's really good, loving it. It's so easy and simple to use. It's a great bit of kit. But anyway, I must get going, I'm a bit busy.
That's fine, thanks James, glad you're enjoying the kit.
Yeah, really am. Thank you Ryan, bye bye.
Thanks, bye bye.
Not only is this product simple and convenient to use, but its best selling point is the safety aspect. Government studies show that the reaction times are 50% reduced while using a mobile phone. Why would you risk it?